Hello everybody, welcome back. This is our few tutorial video, and in today's video we are going to be covering links, linking web pages, and that's what we're going to be doing basically in this tutorial. Web pages actually are made up of several hyperlinks that take you to other web pages, either on the same website or on different websites. That's what we're going to be looking at today. So without wasting much time, let's start. This is the file we used for our previous video, our previous tutorial, and we are going to be using the same file for today's tutorial as well. The only difference here is that I changed the title from formatting to links, because links is what we are going to be looking at today. So our links are what we are going to be looking at today. So let's start. As I said, web pages contain several hyperlinks that link users or web navigators to other web pages on the same or different websites. So when you want to link your page to another web page on a different website, you use the type of link called the absolute link. The absolute link. And then when you want to link the page to another page on the same website, we use a relative link. Before we talk about the absolute and the relative, let's look at how a link is actually written in HTML. This is simply done by using the anchor tag, which is simply A. The anchor tag, which is A. And you see, Visual Studio Code automatically added this attribute. This is actually our first tag since we started this tutorial, which has an attribute. And this attribute here is href, which stands for hyperlink reference. That's the name of the attribute. And then the attribute takes a certain value, and this value here is the URL of the website to which you want to link your page. So that is the web address or the URL of the website to which you want to link your page. That is the value that this attribute href takes. So first, let's start with the absolute links. So let's say we want to link this our page to Google. Obviously Google isn't on this website, it's on a different website. So let's link this page to Google, and it's simply done by typing https://google.com, and I put a comma there, sorry, google.com. And then what goes in between the two tags, the opening and the closing, is the text that is going to be visible to the user. You see, this link isn't going to be visible. What you want the user to see, let's call this take me to Google. Alright, so let's save this and view it in our browser. I've already copied path. Take me to Google. So you click on this, and now Google has been opened for us. Yes, so what this link actually did was that it took us to Google. Alright, let's go back and let's move to our code editor and look at the other type of link, which is called the relative link. And what the relative link does, as I said, is that it links the web pages which are on the same website. For example, in this we are going to be talking about the folder in which this file has been saved, retechwebdev.html. We want to link this to another web page. We can do that by using the relative link, and it's also simply done by using the the a tag or the anchor tag. But then the value this href takes is what differs. So now we are going to be linking this page to another page in the same folder. So when you want to access the files or the folders in the folder you are currently in, or in that directory you are currently in, you simply type dot and a slash, and there are two HTML documents in this folder. So let's take the about. This is actually the first website I created when learning web dev. I've not hosted it yet, but then we'll view it real soon and you see how cute it is. So let's put in, say, take me to Raytech. Sorry, I messed up here. Alright, so let's save this. And let's refresh. Take me to Raytech. Let me zoom in so you see things well. Alright, take me to Google and take me to Raytech. Let's click on this. Yes, this was something I created without CSS. Yeah, without CSS. Although I did the styling, but then because the styling document or the styling file isn't part of the folder, that's why it's not showing. Alright, so you see we linked that page to this page as well, and then we were able to link it to Google using the relative and the absolute links respectively. Alright, but you see something here, everything here is on the same line. That is because we didn't break this one here. We have something we call inline elements and block level elements, which we will be talking about later, so don't be bothered if you don't get it. But then let's just break this, since we've not talked about inline elements and block level elements. So we break this, we save, we refresh, and now we see it's on a new line. So this takes us to Google. Sorry about my internet connection. This takes us to Google, and then this takes us to Raytech websites. Alright, this is where we'll be ending for today. Thank you very much for your time, and then in our next clip, we will be looking at how to add images to your website. That's what we'll be looking at in our next clip. Thank you once more for your time. Please, if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, make sure you do so. Make sure you subscribe and then turn on the notification button so that when any video is uploaded, you will not be left out. Thank you very much for your time once more. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.